So this activity is designed in teaching Biology Standard 1.5, and this activity is done after a class discussion defining the difference between criteria and constraints. And it's using Nearpod. And the first thing that the students will see in this is there's a 3D, well, it's a VR field trip of a coral reef that the student can enter in, look around, spend a few minutes exploring this. After they do this, the students will actually move to a collaborative board where they'll be prompted to answer the question, what human activity is causing the greatest impact here, and what is the key biological component or criteria that we must save. So the students post their chosen problem and their key criteria. From here, the students move on to an initial design of their model. So there's they use the Draw It tool to create their initial proposed solution model, and there's different criteria that it has to include, and that's listed here on the slide. Then, after they do this, then they're actually going to come in and we have a discussion about the importance of iterative testing in design. So the students go ahead and fill in the blanks here on this. After they fill in the blanks, then they actually go back to their first model that they did, and they're actually going to revisit it. They're going to use different colors to make some changes and modifications to their model to reduce one of the constraints while still meeting their criteria. Then when they get done with that, they're going to go ahead and skip ahead to this poll where we say, does your final optimized model prioritize the biological criteria or the economic criteria? So the students can vote, and the class results will appear, and we can see a quick summary of the class's design philosophy. So I really like Nearpod. It's very interactive, engaging, and it really helps the kids get hands-on and jump into explore the material.